In this video, I will explain you how to balance equation and why we should balance equation. First, we'll see why we should balance equation. According to law of conservation of mass, matter neither created nor destroyed. It changed from one form into another form. That means when the reaction takes place, the number of molecules in the reactant should be equal to the number of molecules in the product. Understood? The reactant molecules present in the reactant should be equal to the molecules present in the product. Keep in your mind, okay? So you know that, student, this is the unbalanced equation. Why it is unbalanced equation? The unbalanced equation is also known as skeletal equation. So first we'll see why it is unbalanced equation. This is LHS side, that means reactant, and this is RHS side, that means product. Why it is unbalanced? Because here 2 hydrogen atom, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2 oxygen atom. Here 2 ones are 2 hydrogen atom, 1 ones are 1 oxygen atom. So here what is unbalanced? 1 atom of oxygen at RHS. So what we have to do? We have to balance 1 into 2. So if you put 2 here, the formula will be changed. We cannot put 2 at the downside of the atom. We can put 2 at the coefficient side. So student, at the coefficient side, if you put 2, the oxygen is balanced. Here oxygen is balanced. But what is unbalanced? Do you see? 2 2s are 4. Here 4. And LHS side only 2 ones are 2. So what we have to do? Again we have to put 2 here. Here hydrogen is also balanced. Understood? Now the next equation is combustion of propane. In the presence of oxygen, when it is burned, it is called combustion. Obviously oxygen is needed in the combustion, you know that. So here 3 carbon. Here only 1 carbon. So this side 3 carbon, this side 1 carbon. It is unbalanced. So what we have to do? We can put 3. 3 ones are 3. Here 3 balanced. But next is hydrogen. See, what about hydrogen? Here 8 hydrogen is here. But here only 2. So in 2 table, if you put here 4, 2 4 times 8. So hydrogen is also balanced. 2 4s are 8. It is balanced. Now next is oxygen. Is the oxygen balanced, student? No. So what we have to do here? First we will see how many oxygen atoms are present at RHS. See, 3 2s are 6 in carbon dioxide, plus 4 1s are 4. 4 oxygen atom in water molecule. So 2 plus 4, 10. So at RHS 10 oxygen atom are there. So here LHS only 2. So in 2 table 2 5 times means 2 5s are 10. Now the equation is balanced. Next equation is potassium chloride. Okay. See, in here 1 potassium, 1 chlorine. Here 1 potassium, 1 chlorine. It is balanced. But what is unbalanced? See here. Oxygen is unbalanced. What we have to do? Here 3 oxygen, here 2 oxygen. How can we balance it? It is very simple. 2 times 3 and 3 times 2. 2 3s are 6. 3 2s are 6. Oxygen is balanced. But what is unbalanced here? Here potassium chloride is unbalanced because here at LHS side 2 potassium chloride, at RHS side only 1. So what we have to do? We have to put 2 as a coefficient here. It is balanced. Next unbalanced equation is 1 molecule of glucose form ethanol and carbon dioxide. It is unbalanced because here 6 carbon and here 2 carbon in ethanol and 1 carbon in oxygen. So it is not balanced. What we have to do? Just if you put 3 here, it is 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 7. Again it is not balanced. So what we have to do here, we just put 2 here and 2 here. 2 2s are 4. Here 2 1s are 2. Now it's balanced. Now what about hydrogen? Hydrogen is also balanced automatically because 5 times 2 10, 1 time 2 2, 10 plus 2 12. Hydrogen is balanced. Now oxygen. See, oxygen is also automatically balanced here. How? See, 1 time 2 oxygen, 2 time 2 oxygen 4. 2 plus 4 6. Got it? Next skeletal equation is mercuric nitrate plus potassium iodide. When it react together form mercuric iodide plus potassium nitrate. So here what is unbalanced? First you will see here 1 here mercury 1, here mercury atom is 1, here iodine is 2, here iodine is 1. So first we will put 2 here, 2 1s are 2, iodine is balanced. Next what we have to do? Potassium. Potassium is not balanced here. Here it is not balanced. So we will put 2 here. Potassium is also balanced. Automatically nitrogen is balanced because here 2 1s are 2. Here 2 1s are 2. Here 2 oxygen is also automatically balanced. 2 3s are 6. Here 2 3s are 6. Now it is balanced. So students, I have explained you balancing equation. If you won't understand anything, you can comment me. Okay.